Beginner Video 101. First, there's Miss Kitty. She has to watch. So when you see her little gray paws, you'll know that's her. We're going to learn to do the slip knot. Grab it between my thumb and index finger. I wrap it around. I cross behind it. I leave this dangle. I pick up this first one, put it behind the second one, and grab the second one, which is now the first one, and pull. Slip knot. I can show you that again. Thumb and index finger, wrap it around, go behind, let it dangle. You can use this back finger for just to hold it in place. You want to pull this up, put it behind, grab the second one and pull. Stick your needle through, kind of pull it tight, not too tight. You still want to be able to slide it back and forth. Okay? The way I like to hold my yarn is I like to wrap it around my pinky, over my index finger, and with the second finger and thumb, I hold on to my project. Right now there's nothing here, so it's just hold the knot. This gives you tension to where you can keep the yarn tighter or looser depending on how you want to crochet. You want to see that again? Around the pinky, around the index finger, hold it with the second finger and the thumb. Okay, now to chain, I'm going to hold this, I'm going to pull this thread through the first loop. Let's chain 1, 2, 3, 4. To make our circle, we're going to go back through. We're going to wrap it around. I'm going to pull it through and pull it through. That was a slip stitch. Chain and a slip stitch. Would you like to see that again? And then we'll go forward. All right, there's our original slip knot. See, that's about how loose I have mine. Your first one, you kind of want to make it a little looser than the others because when you're coming back around to go through it, you don't want it to be so tight that you can't get your needle through it. I've had that happen. So, needles in, grab your needle or your thread, pull it through once, twice, 3 times a lady. Sorry, 4. You make 4 chains. Now we're going to slip stitch. We're going to go through our first chain. We're just going to grab that. We're going to hold the project here. We're going to pull it right through. Then I like to take my tail wrap it down and behind. This is going to cause it to follow the circle, and we're going to crochet over it, and that will help hide the tail. Holding on to your little circle, you're going to crochet 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you got to keep the middle of your circle. I just kind of wiggle it back and forth. There we go. That's how you get started. Then you're going to wrap your yarn. This is going to be your first double crochet. You're going to wrap your yarn, stick it through the hole, pull it through, and now you've got 3 loops on your crochet hook. You're only going to go through the first 2, and then you've got 2, and then you're going to go through the next 2. Okay, ready to do it again. Going to wrap it around. We're going to go through the middle. I'm going to pull it through. 1, 2. We're going to do 3 of those. Then we're going to chain 1, and that's where you just pull it through once.